Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for stopping in. So today we have the Tusk D-Flex Pro Handguards. If you are shopping for the most protection for your hands, your levers, your grips, and your handlebars as possible, a full wraparound handguard like these is the route to take. Now, the D-Flex Pro Handguard has been around for a little while now, and they've been super popular. They're built really well from a tempered aluminum. The handlebar clamps or handlebar mounts, very high quality. Don't take my word for it. Go read rider reviews. In fact, I think we have hundreds of rider reviews on these, so go see what people are saying. But what's cool and new about the D-Flex Pro is the addition of two things that we're excited about. The first being, when you buy your handguard, you have the option to pick up side bumpers. So these just mount right to the side of the handguard. The purpose for these is one, just to add some looks, but also add to the durability. Because now if you have these on, if you do go down, rather than scratching up the aluminum on the handguard, you can just swap out the actual side bumper. So swap those out, it's just a couple of screws that hold it in place. So it's just gonna add to the durability and add some cool looks to your handguards. The other big update that I am most excited for is this right here. We are now offering these in a black powder coated version. So there's two colorways to choose from, silver or black. And what's cool too is that the black version also comes with the handlebar mount that is also powder coated black. So I just think they look awesome. So now you as a rider, you have a choice as to what color you feel is gonna be best for you. Now we also do have, if you have say a dual sport or an adventure bike that you're mounting these to and you wanna have blinkers integrated into your hand shields, we even have a set of those that you can pick up as well. You can get these without the side bumpers, but like I said, what's nice is that these side bumpers and the shield, so nice big plastic shield, very rigid, do a great job of blocking the wind and debris. These also are replaceable. So again, if you go down or maybe you just want to change up the look and the color, you can swap those out, very easy to do. We do have a great how-to video, showed you step-by-step how to get these installed. I'll talk more about fitment here in just a moment, but if you have fast flex handlebars, we have these adapters from Tusk as well. You buy these separately, but these will allow you to mount these handguards to fast flex bars. So again, if you have those, be sure to pick up a set of those. There also is the standard and the adventure version of these handguards. The only difference is going to be the adventure model is going to come with a spacer for the outside of the handlebar and a longer bolt, just because on adventure bikes, typically you get longer levers that go out a little bit farther. So to make sure you're not gonna have any clearance issues with your levers, if you're worried about that, or if you have an ADV bike, get the ADV kit, will just come with that additional spacer. Like I said, the install video, step-by-step how to get these installed. Couple notes though is one, you do have to cut off the end of your grips. We actually do have a great little grip end cutter tool that you can pick up if you want to make it a little bit easier. You can also just use a razor blade, but also make sure too, because you do need to cut off the end of your throttle tube. So if you have an aluminum throttle tube, probably not gonna be possible. So one other thing just to keep in mind, and these are a universal fitment. We have these for 1 1/8 and 7/8 handlebars. Now, just because they're a universal handguard doesn't mean they are going to fit every handlebar that is out there. Now, I can't sit here and list off every single bike or handlebar that these may or may not work with. So what I'd recommend is go look at reviews and see what people are saying. For example, some of your smaller bikes that have a steel handlebar, that have a welded crossbar to it, it's all just one piece. You could run into some fitment issues there. So just a couple things to keep in mind. But remember too, no matter what bar you have, if needed, you can always upgrade your handlebar and go to an aluminum or an oversized handlebar and get good fitment. So again, if you have questions, comments, so please just leave those down below. We'll help get those answered. But again, that's the Tusk D-Flex Pro. Awesome clearance, plenty large, great build quality, phenomenal price, and now you have the black powder coated version with the side bumpers. So questions, comments down below. Grab yours today. Click the link, head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. You know the deal, we ship for free over 75 bucks. If you always want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm Chase, we'll see you on the trails.